general wisdom within sort of bike world has been for the past 100 years that to reduce drag and reduce frontal area, you'd shrink the bike right down. Rob has taken a completely opposite approach and said, let's open it up. Let's make a channel through the middle of the bike which allows air to flow in unrestricted fashion from front to back. And of course, once you see that invention, it's a sort of a light bulb moment.
The whole world has to reduce its CO2 emissions, and here is a step change that can help that happen. First of all, we came up with an aerodynamic concept that we're trying to just prove that it worked, basically. The best way to do that is with fact-based data, and the best thing to do with an aerodynamic concept to demonstrate a reduction in drag is to go as quickly as possible. So therefore we set up the task of trying to build a land speed record bike. We ended up with a very radical application of this technology. This is an industry that's driven by incremental gain. You know, if you look at the modern cars that are trying to reduce drag, they may be reducing drag by 2, 3, 4, 5%. So we had a very raw engineering concept that was returning sort of 12, 15, 20% drag reduction. So right off the bat, it was a very interesting opportunity. And then over a period of 6 months, we worked with John on developing the patent, and we've got a drag coefficient of 0.118, which is 70% less than a Hayabusa. And we think that we've created the lowest drag motorcycle in the world. Now we've got the scooter for the UK Police Force. We're going to roll this out this year. So in the police application, we adapted the duct into the bike, which reduces aerodynamic drag between 25 and 30%. Overall, that will give us a reduction in CO2 by around about 50%. And that gives the police a green fleet to go forwards with now. And we see this as a solution for the next 10 years.
From a sustainable viewpoint, the patented technology offers a greener solution for the planet. I think it's a really good example of the patent system at its best here. We've got two very different implementations of a technology, both covered by the patent itself. And it really illustrates the power of this concept to protect the concept rather than an implementation of that concept.
Working with John, a chartered patent attorney, has given us the opportunity to turn a vision or an idea into a real world business.
And having the right trusted professional advisor in place at such an early stage as your business grows allows you to build strong and trusted relationships and get the right advice at the right time and at the right cost points during your business journey, from initial concept all the way through to launch of a commercial product and hopefully significant success in the future. The patents that appeared to be quite an expensive outlay with some uncertainty at the start now are absolutely our most critical asset, and that changes quite quickly.